I hope you believe in magic because I'm about to show you one. So let us focus on my screen. Here you can see I have opened this WhatsApp chat, and in here I will send message as a property buyer who wants to get details about property. So first of all I will send this particular message, hello there, I need updates. Then you will see that this WhatsApp chat bot will reply me instantly with a welcome message, and it is also asking me for my name. So I will enter my name inside this chat, and then we will see that this WhatsApp chat bot is now asking me for my phone number. So I will quickly enter my phone number in here, and then you will see that this WhatsApp chatbot is asking me for my email ID. So I will also enter my email ID in here, and here you can see finally we have received our concluding message. So now I will show you the magic. So I will just open my ActiveCampaign page, and in here you can see all the details that I have provided to that particular bot got added here as a new subscriber in my list. Now I can send drip emails to this particular contact. So this was the magic, and if you want to become magician like me, then follow me through my screen. Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Pabbly, your one-stop solution for business automation and growth. So now without any delay, I will show you how you can also create such an amazing automation for your business. So to start creating this automation, first of all, I will help you navigate to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And for that, you just have to go on a new tab and enter this pabbly.com/connect. And by pressing your enter key, you will get directed on this particular landing page of Pabbly Connect. And inside this page, you will see that on the right corner, you have got these two different buttons, sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user to Pabbly Connect, then you have to click on the sign up free button to create your free account. And by creating your free account, you can avail 100 free tasks every month that Pabbly Connect gives to every new user. And if you are an existing user like me, then you have to click on this sign in button. So I will click on this sign in button, and after that you can see I have got directed on this all apps page of Pabbly. And inside this page you can see Pabbly has these 7 amazing and powerful applications, but today to create our workflow, as we are going to use this Pabbly Connect, so that's why I will press this access now button. After that I will get directed on this dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and now inside this dashboard, to start creating my workflow, I just have to click on this create workflow button given on the right side here. And on the left side here you can see this folders is given to us. So by clicking on this plus button, I can create a folder for myself, and in those particular folders I can store my workflows to stay organized. Now I will just cut this from here, and to start creating a workflow, I will click on this create workflow button. After that you can see first of all we have to select this particular workflow builder for us. So I will select this new beta version for me, which is a modern, faster and more flexible version. But if you want, you can also select this particular classic version, which is the stable and familiar approach. I will go with this new beta version, and now inside this dialog box I have to give a meaningful name to my workflow. So I will name my workflow as auto add WhatsApp leads to ActiveCampaign for drip emails. And from this second select folder drop down, I will click on it, and I will select this particular folder in which I want to save this workflow, and then I will press this create button. After that you can see I have got landed on this page, and in here this add trigger button is visible to me. So this trigger button is like the event on which I want my workflow to get triggered. Now to help you better understand how this trigger button will work, let me share my objective for today's workflow. So today for my customers' inquiries, I want to send them drip email through my ActiveCampaign account. So for today, I have created a WhatsApp chatbot inside my Pabbly Chatflow account, and with the help of that chatbot, I gathered the details of my customer, and I want to send all of those details inside my Pabbly Connect account. So that's why for my trigger application, I will use this amazing feature by Pabbly Connect, this Webhook by Pabbly. And for this application event, I will click on this drop down, and I will select this catch Webhook preferred, and then I will press this connect button. Then you can see we have received this Webhook URL. So I will just copy this Webhook URL from here, and now I will open my Pabbly Chatflow account, and in here you can see I have created this particular WhatsApp chatbot where I have inserted this API request. So now to show you how you can add API request, I will just delete this particular API request from here, and then from this action features I will drag in this API request like this. After that, first of all, I will connect all of these following circles like this, and then inside this Webhook URL box I will click on it, and I will click on this drop down. Now first of all, for this request I will click on this drop down, and I will select this post, and now inside this enter or paste URL box I will paste the particular URL that we have copied from Pabbly Connect. Now inside this parameters we have to enter the key and those contact custom field which I want to send to Pabbly Connect. So for this contact custom field I will select this name contact custom field, and in here I will just type down this keyword name. Just like this I will add few more fields, and in those two I will quickly fill all the contact custom fields and key which I want to send to my Pabbly Connect account. So here I have successfully filled all of these following details. Now I will press this test button to send a test response to Pabbly Connect, and then I will click on this save button. Now I will just cut this from here, and then I will again click on this save button to save this particular bot. Otherwise this bot will not work as we expect it to work. Now you can see as our request is sent successfully to Pabbly Connect. So I will open my account, and in here you can see I have received this test response here. Now to submit a real-time response, I will just cut this action application and I will open my WhatsApp account, and inside this chat you can see when I will send this text, hello there, I need updates, you will see that this WhatsApp chatbot will get triggered instantly, and here it has sent me this particular message, hey, thanks for reaching out to share details and updates, we need some of your details, let's start with your name. So here we have to follow the same process that I have shown you in the beginning of this video. So now I will quickly interact with this bot and I will send it all the details that it will ask me to. So here I have successfully entered all the details that this particular bot asked me. Now I will open my Pabbly Connect account, and inside this particular Webhook by Pabbly, you can see in here when I will refresh this response, you can see here we have received a new response. Now I will click on this drop down, and here these are the exact same details that I have entered while talking to that particular bot. Now we will work on our action step. So for my action step, as I want to add this contact to my ActiveCampaign email marketing list, so for that I will just click on this plus button, and in here I will search for this ActiveCampaign as my action application. So here this is my action application. I will select it, and inside this application event, first of all I will select this particular subscribe or unsubscribe contact from a list, and after that to connect ActiveCampaign with Pabbly Connect I will click on this connect button, and here I have again got these two different options, add new connection and select existing connection. So if you have already established your connection, then you can go with the select existing connection, but if you want to create a new connection like me, then you have to click on this add new connection button, and here we have to enter this URL and API key to successfully establish a connection between ActiveCampaign and Pabbly Connect. So to get this URL and API key, you have to follow the steps given just below this particular boxes, and then you will be easily able to get these details. But as I know them, so I will show you directly. So you just have to open your ActiveCampaign account, and after that you have to click on the settings given on the right side here, and inside the settings you have to select this developer from here, and here you can see this is our URL and this is our key. So I will just copy this URL from here and I will paste it inside this URL box like this. For this API key, I will go back to my ActiveCampaign account and I will copy this API key from here and I will paste it inside this box, and then I will press this save button, and here you can see our connection is saved successfully. Now for this list ID, I will click on this drop down, and you can see there is only one list ID, master contact list. So I will select it from here, and inside this box we have to enter the contact ID, and in our response you can see we have received everything but contact ID. So to get this contact ID, first of all we have to create a contact with this particular name and number inside my ActiveCampaign account. So for that we have to add another step. So to add another step, you can see as this step is mandatory, so I will just enter this A in here to save this particular step, and now I will cut this from here, and just in front of this particular Webhook by Pabbly I will add another step, and in that also I will search for this ActiveCampaign from here. So this is my ActiveCampaign application. I will select it, and inside this application event, first of all I will select this event create a contact to create a contact inside my ActiveCampaign account, and then I will press this connect button, and you can see as I have already established a connection, so that's why I will go with the select existing connection, and then I will press this save button, and here our connection is established successfully. Here we have to enter these following details like email, first name, last name, phone, and this preferred language. So first of all, to select this email, I will take help of mapping. So to map data, you just have to click on this box, and from this response of your previous step, you can see this is our email ID. So I will select it, and here the email of my customer has got mapped successfully. Now for this first name, you can see we have received the name in this one format, but as we have to enter the first name and last name separately, so for that I will take help of an amazing feature by Pabbly Connect, text formatter. First of all, I will save this particular step from here. I will cut this from here. Now I will again add one more step, this text formatter. So I will search for this text formatter from here, and I will select it. Now for this application event, I will select this particular split text because I want to split the name of my customer in two parts, and after that I will press this connect button. So here for this text to split, here I will map the name of my customer like this, and inside this separator you can see as I want to use this space between this text as a separator, so here you can see this text is written for space as a separator, use this particular sign. So I will just copy this particular text from here and I will paste it inside this separator box like this. And after that, for this first segment, I will select this as all because I want this all part for myself. And then I will press this save and send test request button. And in our response, you can see I have successfully received the name of my customer in this first and last name. So I will just cut this step, and inside this ActiveCampaign, I will open it, and for the first name, I will map this J, and for this last name, I will map this particular last name of my customer. Now for this phone number, I will again click on this Webhook by Pabbly drop down, and I will map the number of my customer like this. For this preferred language, I will select it as English, and I will type it down manually. Now you can see I have successfully filled all of these following details. Now I just have to click on this save and send test request button. After that, this contact will automatically get added inside my ActiveCampaign account, and we will successfully receive a contact ID. But before clicking on this button, I would like to share that why I have took help of mapping to fill these particular fields, and why I have entered this particular language manually. So if I tell you in simple words, when we map data, then these particular fields become dynamic. It means that whenever Pabbly Connect will detect any new data, it will automatically update the old data with the new captured data. But if I will fill these fields manually, like this particular language, then these fields will remain static and it will not change unless we manually change it. So that's why we have to maintain a balance while we fill up these fields. Like if I want some data to remain static, then I will type it down manually. But if I want some data to get changed automatically, like this name, number and email of my customer, then I will map it. So now I hope that you have understood what mapping is and how you can map data. So now I will press this save and send test request button. So inside our response, you can see we have successfully received this contact ID. So I will just cut this step from here, and inside this last step of ours, I will map the contact ID that I have received in my previous step. So to get a contact ID, I will just search for this ID, and this is our contact ID. So I will select it from here, and the status, I will select it as subscribed. Now I just have to click on the save and send test request button. Then automatically this particular contact will get added inside this master contact list. So here we have received this response as success. Now I will just cut this step from here, and then I will open my ActiveCampaign account, and in here when I will click on this contacts, you will see that here a new contact with this particular name Jai Tripathi will get added successfully. So here I will refresh this page, and here you can see this new contact with this name Jai Tripathi, and this is the email that I have entered. Now I will open this particular contact, and in here you can see this particular contact is subscribed successfully to this list. So with this, I have successfully demonstrated how you can create such an amazing automation for yourself with the help of Pabbly Connect. And if you want to clone this workflow, then for you, I will add a link of this workflow in the description box of this video. So that is it for this video. If you like this video, then please consider subscribing to Pabbly's YouTube channel. And for more such amazing videos, please do comment below on which topics do you want to see videos from us. And if you have any doubt regarding this video, then you can comment it down. I will surely reply to you. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and you can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you have to check this particular website. So what are you waiting for? Just go and automate your business with the help of Pabbly Connect.